Rockin' round the Christmas tree. Yeah, we're rockin' round the Christmas tree.
Hi guys, we're here in Distillery District and now they're having the Toronto Christmas Market. So we're here, we're gonna enjoy ourselves here and eat a lot of food. You want the big pretzel?
Jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing in sleigh songs tonight.
Just wanna curl up by the fire for a couple cups of cider and a roast of marshmallows.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle all the way.
Are you cold? Yeah.
Bells on bobtail, making spirits bright.
Careful.
What fun it is to ride and sing in sleigh songs tonight.
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
I can hear those jingle bells, jingle bells.
Jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. It is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
I can hear those
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Yup, I'm LeBron James. Jade.
Hi guys! So we're here in Distillery Channel. Hi guys! We're here in Toronto Christmas. Ang sagali ni Dad? Oh, again.
Bibira kita camera.
Hi, welcome to Jade Channel.
You say, we're here in Toronto Christmas Market.
We're here in Toronto Raptors.
No!